Affiliate marketing. It's a buzzword you hear everywhere online. But what is it, really? Simply put, it's the art of recommending products or services you believe in and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. It's a powerful way to monetize your passions, build a loyal audience, and create a sustainable income stream. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility. You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer support. You're essentially a connector, bridging the gap between amazing products and eager customers. But like any worthwhile endeavor, it requires dedication, strategy, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid foundation, your niche, strong walls, high-quality content, and an inviting entrance, audience engagement. And just like a house, your affiliate marketing business takes time and effort to build, but the rewards are well worth it. This essay will guide you through the essential steps to affiliate marketing success, drawing from real-life stories and practical tips. We'll explore the importance of niche selection, content creation, audience engagement, and the ever-evolving landscape of this exciting industry. Imagine trying to sell everything to everyone. It's overwhelming, right? That's why choosing a specific niche is crucial in affiliate marketing. Your niche is your area of focus, your expertise, your passion. It's where you'll concentrate your efforts and build a loyal following. Think about your interests, hobbies, and areas where you have some knowledge. Are you passionate about travel, technology, personal finance, or sustainable living? These passions can be monetized through affiliate marketing. For example, a travel enthusiast could partner with airlines, hotels, and travel gear companies, while a tech-savvy individual could promote software, gadgets, or online courses. Consider the profitability of your chosen niche. Are there products or services with recurring commissions or high ticket prices? Research different affiliate programs and compare commission structures. Remember, it's easier to promote products you genuinely believe in and use yourself. By focusing on a specific niche, you become an authority in that area, building trust and credibility with your audience. This targeted approach leads to higher conversion rates and ultimately greater success in your affiliate marketing journey. Content is the heart and soul of affiliate marketing. It's how you attract, engage, and ultimately convert your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media updates, or email newsletters, your content should provide value, build trust, and establish you as a reliable source of information. Think of your audience as your friends. You wouldn't constantly bombard them with sales pitches, would you? Instead, you'd share valuable information, helpful tips, and genuine recommendations. The same principle applies to affiliate marketing. Focus on creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. Provide in-depth product reviews, comparisons, tutorials, or case studies. Incorporate personal experiences and anecdotes to make your content relatable and engaging. Remember, authenticity is key. Don't be afraid to promote affiliate products within your content, but do so naturally and transparently. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships and only recommend products you genuinely believe in. By focusing on providing value and building trust, you'll create a loyal audience that's more likely to convert into paying customers. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. Success doesn't happen overnight, but by staying consistent, engaging with your audience, and embracing new trends, you can build a thriving and sustainable business. Consistency is key in content creation. Establish a regular posting schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, answering questions, and fostering a sense of community. Use analytics to track your progress, identify what's working, and adjust your strategies accordingly. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving. New platforms emerge, algorithms change, and consumer behavior shifts. Stay ahead of the curve by researching industry trends, experimenting with new tools and technologies, and attending relevant conferences or webinars. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. But by focusing on providing value, building trust, and nurturing relationships, you can create a sustainable income stream while sharing your passions with the world.